must don't know about me. You must don't know about me. Ah! We got more PlayStation news for the PlayStation 5 Slim.
PlayStation.
Some new pictures, leaks have surfaced. The internet, man, I don't know where to be confused. I'm actually baffled. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Looking at these images right now, the PlayStation 5 Slim is still set to launch sometime in November. We have yet to hear from Sony or PlayStation themselves to come out with any other news. Now, they should, and we have been leaks and rumors that it will be possibly coming out when they release the Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So, we shall see. Hopefully they do. The PlayStation 5 Slim, to me, from these leaks, looks, I don't know, man. It looks super cheap to me. I'm just gonna keep it 100 with you, man. So it's the one with the disc tray already attached to it. Now it is a whole lot slimmer than the original PS5. Now his current PS5, the guy that tweeted this at Phantom Pains, he pretty much got like a third party plate on the PS5. It's definitely a huge difference in between like the size, but I don't like, it look like it's super glossy and printy and fingerprinty, and it's the words I'm trying to describe right now. Like, I don't know if I'm really liking the glossy look. It just seems to look like it's just glossy all over. I don't know if they're gonna have like some matte plates, but from the looks of this, it looks extremely glossy. And I'm not a huge fan of the glossy look, man. It looks cool from a distance if you're not like, you know what I'm saying, from a standpoint, if you're not touching, but if it's something that you're gonna be touching, you gotta put your hands on constantly, especially if you got the disc tray and all that. Like, nobody wants to put their hands on their console or anything, any product that's extremely glossy. Also, from these images, it does seem like they have moved the disc tray eject button to the actually on side of the actual PlayStation itself, instead of in the middle aligned with all the other buttons, which they probably didn't have no choice but to do so, especially since it's one of those components that you can buy separately for, I believe, like $79.99. I don't know. If I was you and I was in a market when this dropped, I would definitely just go ahead and get the disc version instead of the digital. You're only saving $50 up front. I mean, if $50 gonna hurt you, then do what you gotta do. But I would rather go ahead and spend the extra $50 up front just in case I might want to buy disc game, because we all know the disc games usually tend to go on sale before like the digital game. So y'all know you can go into your local GameStop or Walmart or whatever. You see these games on sale, the disc version, and you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But anyways, I will opt out for the disc version, which is retailing for $499 compared to the digital, which is $449.99. So $450 compared to $500. Just go ahead and get the 500 edition. Like I said, I don't know exactly what the price is gonna be with these bundles, so we shall see. Like I said, man, Sony hasn't really announced anything else besides that trailer they played. I think there was like 20-second, 30-second trailer they played like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So hopefully Sony comes out with some more up-to-date news about the new PS5 Slim. Y'all get in the comments, let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Are you currently thinking about buying the PS5 Slim? Let me know in the comments, man. Or are you gonna keep your current PS5? I got rid of my PS5, trying to get a PS5 Slim. Hey, look, I don't know. I probably should go get my PS5 back.